Hello children. Today we will learn second part of chapter 1, where to look from. Hope you have watched previous videos repeatedly for better understanding and done the activities in the textbook. I am sure all children enjoying doing the activities in the textbook, right? Here we have started with page number 7, Teat for Tat. So let's start.
So this topic is about mirror-offs. So it is a conversation between a painter and Amina. So this girl, this painter, this girl is asking the painter to draw her picture. The painter says that he need rupees 200 to draw a picture. But he had drawn only half of her picture. He said that the other half is exactly the same, so just put a mirror to get the complete picture. So after this, he's asking Amina to give his money. So Amina gave only half of the money, that is 100. Now this girl Amina is telling the painter the other half is exactly the same, so just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. So she is also telling the same to put the mirror to put the money in the mirror. So this is just an example for mirror offs. The painter had many such pictures in which he drew only half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. So the painter has some pictures, only half of the pictures were given. So try to draw the remaining picture. So in the case of lamp, only this part is given. So you have to draw this like this to complete full lamp. Same way, this is mask and this is a star, this is fish, this is a butterfly. So if you draw like this, you will get a butterfly. Can we all try drawing this picture? Yes. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? So next thing, we have been asked to draw few things which is not similar mirror offs. So you can draw anything you want, like the same cup. Cup cannot have mirror offs. So if you draw a cup, if you cut this, it is not mirror offs. The same way, if you choose any animal with tail, so an alphabet. So if this is A, if we cut in this is not mirror offs. So you can give any such examples. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? So here they have given few pictures. You have to check whether each picture has similar mirror halves. So when you draw, if both the sides are equal, then it is similar mirror halves. If it is not equal, then it is not. You have to write no. So in the first picture, if you draw like this, it is dividing the triangle into two. So similar mirror. So I have written yes. Similarly, this, if you draw a straight line here, it is dividing. So it is S. And next picture is a triangle. When a triangle is cut horizontally, you cannot have similar mirror halves. So it is not similar. So I have written no. Next picture here. So here it will be more and here it will be less. So I have written no. Here in the inverted triangle, if you cut a triangle in the apex and both the sides are equal, then it is similar. See this one, it is not similar, and this is similar. And if you cut the letter T, then it is equal on both the sides. In this picture, it is not equal. Here also it is not. The shapes should be equal in size, shape, in all means it should be equal, similar. So in the heart 10, it is similar. M is similar. And next picture. This picture also it is similar. And this is also similar. And a kite, if you divide it here, it is not similar. So suppose if we divide it here, this part vertically, if you divide through, if it crosses exactly at the center, then it is similar. The next one is similar. Give more examples. I have given few examples. So you can just draw whatever picture you want. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into two similar halves? So yes, previous exercise, they have given a dotted line. You have checked whether it is similar halves. In this practice, they are asking us to draw a dotted line to make the picture divide into two similar halves. So if we can so here I have, so if you divide it this way, you can divide it into equal. Here in the scissor, if you divide it this way, in this circle, if you divide it anyway, you can get two similar halves. So whatever angle, if you cut this jug, it cannot be divided, you cannot divide this cup into two halves. So it is not a symmetric picture. So this is not a symmetric picture. Next is frog, and next one is a bell. This is a floppy disk. If you cut, it is not similar. In the same way, in the plane aeroplane, if you cut through the center, it is similar. Here, if you cut this way, it is similar. Yes, it is similar. In alphabet, the numeric number 2, if you cut anyway, it is not similar. Specs, if you cut it at the center, you can get similar picture. The same way, suitcase and this iron box, if you cut, you cannot get similar picture. And the umbrella, if you cut it here, this side is curved and this side is, you don't have that curve, so it is not similar. So obviously clock, you cannot get similar halves. Can you guess these letters from the halves? So here they have given only half of the picture. You have to guess the other half. So this is A. Shall we guess? This is A. This is C. This is H. This is U. This is B. This is X. Here one thing you have to know, which side it is folded. See here, the folding part is here. So if you open that side, you will get A. Here the folding part is here. So if you open it upwards, you will get this C. Here the folding part is this side. So if you open it, you will get H. Here the folding part is this side. So if you open, you will get U. Here the folding part is this side. If you open it upwards, you will get B. Here the folding part is here, so if you open you will get X. Using such letters we can also make words which have similar wraps. Guess the words by looking at the wraps. See, here it is H HOW. Here also it is W only. WAX. This is cooked dice. So have you all guessed? So after guessing, we'll move on to the next topic. So making a mask. Here they have given an example or practice session to make a paper mask by using this concept mirror wraps. So take a piece of paper, fold it along the middle. On one side, draw the figure, cut it out using a pair of scissors. Now open the fold and make the eyes, nose, etc. Color it and tie a rubber band around its back. Your mask is ready. See, first picture. First, all of you take a A4 size paper or whatever paper you have. Then fold it in the middle. In the middle you have to fold it. Then you will have this piece. In this piece you just draw the outline alone. You don't have to draw fully, just draw the outline and cut it using a pair of scissors. If you cut, you will have the outline. So you will have a outline like this. So after cutting, you can just keep eyes, nose and mouth and tie a rubber band, use as a mask. Here you can make more such masks by taking help from the following pictures. So here they have given a girl picture. So this is a girl picture, this is an elephant picture, this is an animal picture. You can make use of these things and make a mask.